Love the fact that this is multifunctional. I have used it almost multiple times a day. Love the stainless interior and that there is no Teflon or non-stick touching my food. I gave away my old one because of that. It does not do a great job of toasting, but I have a toaster for that. You still need to turn your food halfway through the air fryer process to get even browning. Not sure what material the tray is, but it does stain. Hubby is so happy I can make large batches of chicken wings. Because my cabinets have extra trim, I was worried that there wouldn't be enough clearance, but it was perfect. Bought this as referred by a tenant. This was a really good air fryer. So happy I got it. I cut up some potatoes and put them in and they cooked so fast. Nice and crisp too. Made some chicken drumsticks tonight. Was delicious. I took the skin off for my special diet. My husband will love this. Is truly an awesome unit. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe today.